Welcome to the 31st Annual Anderson School of Management Hall of Fame online premiere. I'm Ann Rhodes. I'm a past Anderson alum and proud president of People Inc. I'm delighted to introduce the 2020 class of inductees, recognizing their commitment to excellence in their professions and contributions to their community. John Chavez is the Vice President, Treasurer, and Chief Financial Officer for an affiliated group of companies including Sandia Peak Ski Company, Sandia Peak Tram Company, Alvarado Realty Company, Santa Fe Ski Company, and Sandia Peak Utility Company. John is a tireless volunteer for numerous community initiatives and has led the charge on many legislative actions representing CPAs, LLCs, and small utilities. Alicia Gutierrez is a partner at Moses, Dunn, Farmer, and Tuthill, PC, where she has been in private practice since 1988. She is a distinguished Martindale-Hubbell AV preeminent attorney, that is, among the top 10% in the country, and was the first female attorney to join the Moses law firm. She is the first female to serve as president in the firm's 65-year history. Both John and Alicia are native New Mexicans with a deep connection and love for the land of enchantment. Let's hear from John and Alicia.
I've been a lawyer for 34 years, and 32 of them I've been with the Moses law firm. I have 2 kids, and when they were young, they asked me, "Mom, what does a lawyer do?" And I told them, a lawyer takes on someone's problems and helps them with the problem. That's motivation to me.
I'm going to tell you a little bit about my life's journey. Well, it started in Gallup, and I have 6 sisters and 1 brother. We were a real close family. From there, I got some scholarships to come to UNM, went to the Anderson School and graduated. It provided great opportunities for me. I worked as a CPA in a CPA firm, was there for about 6 years. Then I got this great opportunity to work where I currently work and have for the last 30 years with the Sandia Peak Ski Company and Tram Company. Growing up with the 6 sisters and a brother, I found out that family was very important, and now my 3 kids and myself have gotten very close, and I now have 4 grandkids, and had a very good life because of the opportunities provided for me for my education and my career.
I have a couple of mentors that come to mind, my father being one of them. He was from the first graduating class at UNM Law School. The law school opened up in '47 and he graduated in 1950 after World War II. His life was working 6 days a week and on Sundays going to visit his family in Los Lunas because family was so important in his life. And during the summer, we would always travel, and he was a world traveler. So we were lucky in growing up that we were able to travel the world and see the world. And from that, I really feel lucky that I would come back to the United States and I would be so appreciative of everything we had in the United States. I think with he as a mentor, it was to work hard, and to connect with family, no matter how busy life is, that you have to take time for family.
I do make it a point to try to be involved with the community and have been lucky to be involved with a lot of community services. But the one that stands out in my mind the most is the Si Se Puede Learning Centers. The Si Se Puede Learning Centers are an after-school program housed in affordable housing projects. As part of that support structure, the business community provided resources for that community. Why it was so satisfying to me was because we would bring these kids into our facilities, into our businesses to show them what we did. We provided resources, we'd send them to camps, we would start basketball teams. Seeing the appreciation that they had on their face was what was exciting. One of the reasons I particularly am proud of that is because my brother David, one of these developments were named after him. He was an inspiration in the educational field. As such, they named one of the apartments after him. Education
is the most important thing that anyone can receive. Education opens up so many doors to people. If one student can get a scholarship or hundreds of students can get scholarships, I would be thrilled, because education is just so important individually to someone, but also for the state. If we can educate our children and they are all educated, we just won't be able to hold back the people and the opportunity with education.
Welcome to the Anderson Hall of Fame, John Chavez and Alicia Gutierrez. To all who have joined the celebration online, please post your comments on YouTube and/or repost on social media. Tune in again on May 20th and 21st to meet our inductees Stephen Harper and David Jessen, and our young alumni honorees, Nika, Allen, and Daryl Garcia. Thank you.